Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tutorialify. In this video, we will be learning how to flip an image on Canva. Flipping an image in Canva is easy. Open your Canva application and then log into your account first. Now, open up your design that you want to edit. I'm just gonna open up this image that I'm recently working on. After you find your image design, go ahead and select the image from your preview screen. Now after selecting your image, go ahead and swipe through the bottom menu and then look for flip and tap on it. Now you will see two different options, flip horizontal or flip vertical. Choose either and then your image will be flipped instantly. You can now go ahead and save the image or download it onto your device's camera roll or share it with your friends. That is how you flip an image on Canva. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.